Prayer is my everything. Prayer is my everything that I do. I woke up, fasting, I do, say little prayer to my Father in heaven. When I'm done, I give glory to the Lord for listening to my prayer. When I'm done, I give glory to the Father for listening to my prayer. Ooh, stepping out. Yes, I know, yes, I know, yes, I know, and they will be all good to me. Ooh, praise my everything, praise my everything, praise my everything I do. Praise my everything. Praise my everything, praise my everything I do. Praise my everything, praise my everything, praise my everything I do. Praise my everything, praise my everything, praise my everything I do. When I receive the calling from the mighty God, the one thing I don't joke with it is my prayer. Prayer is everything. Prayer is everything. Every time I pray, I can't stop prayer. It's in me, it's in me. Oh Father, everywhere I pray, God listen to me. Ooh, I'm walking over the devils and the enemies. That's why they can't get me. Oh, it's my secret. I'm a prayer warrior. Nothing I'm afraid. I'm a prayer warrior, nothing I'm afraid. Praise my everything, praise my everything, praise my everything I do. Praise my everything, praise my everything, praise my everything I do. Praise my everything, praise my everything, praise my everything I do. Praise my everything, praise my everything, praise my everything I do. Pray without ceasing. Pray non-stop, child of God. Prayer is the only material that can go both supernatural and spiritual realm to destroy the iniquities, to destroy the attention of the evil. Don't cease to pray. That's my secret thing.